All right, let's get straight to it. You're thinking about diving into the world of crypto, right? Maybe you've heard about Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even Dogecoin. And you're probably wondering the easiest way to get your hands on some of that digital gold. So, here's the burning question. Can you actually use PayPal to buy crypto on Coinbase? I know, it sounds like a convenient option, right? One account to rule them all. But let's break it down. First off, let's talk about Coinbase. It's one of the biggest names in the crypto game. Think of it as the gateway for many people stepping into the crypto world. It's relatively easy to use, offers a decent selection of coins, and has a pretty solid reputation. Now, PayPal. You probably know it as that online payment system you use to buy stuff on eBay or send money to friends. It's a giant in the digital payment world. But here's the thing, while PayPal has dipped its toes into the crypto waters, allowing you to buy, hold, and sell certain cryptocurrencies within its platform, the relationship between PayPal and Coinbase isn't as straightforward as you might hope. Historically, Coinbase hasn't directly accepted PayPal as a payment method. You couldn't simply link your PayPal account to Coinbase and start buying crypto. But hold your horses, because things in the crypto world move fast. There have been rumors, whispers, and even some official statements about potential integrations or partnerships between Coinbase and PayPal. It's possible that by the time you're watching this, things might have changed. So, always do your own research and check the latest updates from both companies. But let's say you can't use PayPal directly on Coinbase. What are your options? Well, Coinbase offers several other ways to fund your account. You can link your bank account for direct deposits, use a debit card, or even wire transfer money. Each method has its own pros and cons in terms of speed, fees, and limits. So, while the dream of a seamless PayPal to Coinbase connection might not be fully realized yet, there are still ways to get your crypto journey started. But wait, there's more. Even if you can't directly use PayPal on Coinbase, there might be workarounds or third-party services that could help you bridge the gap. We'll explore some of those options in a future video. Remember, the crypto world is constantly evolving. What's true today might be different tomorrow. So, stay informed, do your research, and always be cautious. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.